Jaden, make it go the other way. Oh, it's gonna hit.
Welcome back to another one of
Our vlogs.
Jaden and Julia's vlogs.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came.
But we're back again today. We're going on an adventure. To where, Tony? You know,
Hamilton, Ontario to the
Two Falls or something like that. We're gonna go chase some waterfalls.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Jaden, what are you doing?
Why are you doing?
Megan's so excited. It's going. Jaden, make it go the other way. Oh, it's gonna hit. Riley, slow down. So, currently, we are trying to get Jaden's drone that's up on. Oh shit.
I think get a video of me waving.
Oh, it's zoomed in. I'm zooming out. Like shit.
Oh my god. That's really funny.
Okay, so we just climbed. Wait, how do you turn around the camera now? No. Okay, we just climbed down a huge hill to try to find this drone, and we still can't. We think it's somewhere like up there probably, but it's way too dangerous to go up there. So we're just gonna go back. But this is the waterfall. It was a good adventure. Yeah, it was worth the adventure for sure. Yeah, and we're gonna try to make it back up. We go up that way, kind of. Yeah, it was really sketchy. But we tried to find the drone up there, and we think it's like right there and there, but it's way too dangerous to go up there. Anyways, this waterfall is freaking gorgeous, and yeah, we're gonna try to make it back up. So this is the lookout where we all hiked up. How was the hike, girls?
No,
it was amazing.
How you hiked down to the thing was. Jaden.
Yeah, I know.
That river down there.
So that river, Megan, Riley, and this girl, which is really freaking dead now, hiked down there to try to find the drone that was like way over there probably now, because we hiked all the way up here and we lost the drone.
And me and Casey watched you guys.
Yeah, pretty much. But I'm so scared because my dad's probably gonna be so freaking mad at me. But there goes a grand. It's really freaking pretty out here, especially with all these girls.
Why don't you put the camera on me when you say it? You put it all on them and not me.
I'm sorry, but anyways, this has been quite the adventure. Anyways,
Theirs looks the worst because they're like...
we hiked down somewhere we weren't even supposed to hike down.
Just for the drone, and then we didn't get the drone.
Just for the drone, and we didn't even get it. But, oh well. It's still worth it, still lots of fun. We're
not done yet, Riley.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the other waterfalls too after. This vlog is so freaking dysfunctional.
Let's hope we all drop this.
Yeah, let's hope we all drop this. Let's all get in the frame. Cute, cute, cute.
What are we doing, Jaden?
Going on a hike back down.
Yeah.
Two falls to go to the Webster Falls, I think.
Yeah. But them girls up there would be a part of us, but they're way up there.
But we stopped to get this camera out, so
yeah.
That's kind of why. But we're having fun, right?
Yeah.
Yay.
Woohoo!
back in the car. We're gonna try to go to Webster's Falls, see how that goes, and then probably go get something to eat and then call her a day, right?
Food.
Yeah.
Food.
Okay, well, stay tuned for Webster's Falls, maybe. So we were backing out of the other waterfall thing, and some, yeah, what Riley said, backed into, Casey's car.
Kids better.
You shouldn't have, you were so nice about it.
Was it this?
I would have been so mad. Yeah, that was so her fault. But
Okay, that's character.
we're on like seriously so many adventures today.
Yeah, what is this?
I know. Today's been so dysfunctional.
Maybe that guy. But look, someone like before my sister bought it, someone like
Keyed it?
yeah, like right.
Oh yeah, you can see that. That's fricked. Well, you can kind of see the waterfall. If we can see it, I don't know. I'm gonna show you. It's kind of like over and down there. You probably can't even see it, but I don't know if we're gonna go do it.
No.
No? Everyone's kind of hiked out, so I think we're gonna just maybe go get food and then call her a day. Yeah, we all know what they want to do, so I think that's it for our really adventure here. I thought it was gonna be a lot better than it was, but it was a lot harder to get down to the trails, and I lost my drone, so it was kind of a sad adventure, right, Casey? Well, for me it was. It was a sad one.
Well, I got hit, so
Yeah. By some crazy girl. Yeah. This adventure was kind of really dysfunctional. It really say so myself. But
it'll be a good story.
yeah, exactly.
Very good story
We're gonna have
to
lots
tell.
of stories to tell. And I was hoping this whole vlogging
Adventure to get banged.
yeah, I know, but I was hoping this whole oh, ew. I wasn't even really listening to it. But I wanted this whole vlogging experience to be really good and a really good video, but it turned out that we didn't even take the camera down to where we climbed to try to look for the drone because it was way too sketchy. Casey didn't want to go.
Not my thing.
No. So that's that, and now I think we're just gonna go back home and grab some food. Well, on the way home we're gonna grab food. Yeah, so we found some sunflowers that we want to take a few pictures at just to end off our little adventure today. Riley was really wanting one of those flowers, so she took one, but she's trying to be a little sneaky so she doesn't get caught. I don't even know what they would do if they saw you
Push.
taking one, but
Are you getting baked meat or no bun? Combo?
Oh, and then is that my drink?
Anything else?
Okay, thanks.
You want to try?
Guys, I'm so upset.
No.
He didn't say my name.
He didn't say mine either.
Oh, Gloria.
You did what?
He didn't say my name.
Aw, Gloria.
Yeah.
It's not fun.
everyone is just eating and eating and eating and eating. Because of our long day and our adventurous times, we're all hungry, right, Tony?
Yeah.
But yeah,
You guys like those drinks.
I was freaking thirsty because you took my water.
You know, it's whatever.
But that's okay, I share.
Vlog my burp if you want.
Okay.
Oh, I'm feeling one.
Oh. Oh. You guys are so embarrassing. I don't know why I did that guy. For a bunch of ladies, y'all are
so
very
ladylike.
unladylike. But
And we wonder why half of us are single. Oh, that's what half of us. It's only her. Oh, and her. Oh, that's true.
yeah.
But
Wait, what
she's
about
normal.
me?
You guys are more normal.
yeah, me and Casey are the normal
Casey
ones.
can have some nasty
Tony and
verbs.
Megan.
Oh, Casey can embarrass herself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pink stuff in there.
Look at these cuties just sharing a frosty. Oh, we've got the lick in there. Don't tell Bryce.
Hi, Bryce.
How's the frosty?
It's delish.
10 out of 10?
Would recommend.
Aw, I thought they were feeding. Oh, they are gonna feed each other. Just
gonna go ask them if they can, she's gonna go ask them for a doggy bag for her leftover food. Doggy bag means like takeout. Can you want some ice cream? No. No.
What did you just ask them, Riley?
I had a doggy bag and they laughed at me. Here, ice cream. Try it, it's actually really good.
What was it?
Mayonnaise. It was warm, it wasn't even cold.
One eternity later.
So you can tell it's been a long trip and everyone's tired when we literally got everyone sleeping. But Casey. Casey's still going strong and Tony's out cold. And so it's just me and Casey, you know, just driving and talking. Yeah, everyone's still ready to go on another adventure.
Like, James makes it so freaking awkward. I'm smiling.
I know. It would have been pretty cool if like they were all sleeping and everything.
We don't ever sleep.
You know, you can sleep when you're dead, right?
Just put ugly faces in that.
Okay. So anyways, that's it for our adventure today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for the next one.
It's the motherfucking